Reclaim your creativity doing this beautiful exercise of using maple leaves and giving a water wash. Tap into your emotions, tap into your feelings and feel what are the challenging emotions which are bothering you sometime or the other. Try to convert them into these dried leaves. Color them with all the shades of oranges and browns and reds. While coloring, let your emotions flow onto this piece of paper. Once it is done, do a nice water splash with a blue color, covering all of these leaves and feeling that all your difficult emotions are being washed away. Enjoy doing this activity. This is a very simple activity, but it helps you a lot to overcome many silent things which are going inside you. It is a beautiful art therapy exercise and I welcome you all to do this and share your art with me.